Hi friends, now in this video we are going to discuss about abstraction and abstract class. Abstract class must be start with abstract keyword. So here I have created called class A and the keyword I have used called abstract here. And abstract will have abstract methods as well as non-abstract methods. Here I have created abstract void test1 and abstract void test2 abstract methods and non-abstract methods, normal methods, public void test 2 or static also we can declare here. So any abstract class will have compulsorily abstract methods, either 1, 2 or minimum we need one abstract method. It can have both abstract method and non-abstract method. Abstract method can have nested class. You can use nested class within the abstract class, and also if another class wants to use that particular abstract class, they can use by extending the class name. Here class B extends class A, but the thing is we have to give body structure. In class A you can see that we don't have any body structure, but in class B we have given the body structure. So whenever we want to extend any particular abstract class, we must declare all abstract class with body structure. Here you can see abstract class must be declared as abstract. So here I have declared abstract here. That's the keyword. If you want to declare abstract class, then you should start with abstract keyword and must have abstract methods. Here I have given 2 methods. At least we need one method. Let me type here so that you can understand easily. At least one abstract method it should have. That is actually compulsorily declared. At least one abstract method compulsorily declared within the abstract class. You can use a number of abstract class. Each abstract class can have normal method and non-abstract method. Normal method, that is public void test, that is a normal method. Here we have given body structure here, but in abstract method you can see no body structure. Subclass must give body structure. So class B extends A here, which means B is the subclass of A. So A must give the body structure and also must have all the abstract methods within that. Otherwise it will throw an error. Here we have given the body structure for both the abstract methods here. So which are available in parent class? What are the methods available, abstract methods available in parent class must be declared with body structure in the subclass. It's not necessary to implement non-abstract method. Cannot create object. So we cannot create object for abstract class. See here A, I have given the variable name as var. I am creating new A object. It's not possible. You cannot create object for abstract class, but we can create reference. So new A, that's not possible to create object for this abstract class. So I'm just removing. Like this you can create reference for that particular abstract class. And another thing is final keyword cannot be used for abstract methods and class. You cannot use it as a final because we are going to give a body structure in another class. If you declare as final, you can't utilize in another classes. And that's the reason we are not going to give final or keyword for any abstract class or abstract methods. An abstract class can have nested abstract class here. Here I have declared class D as a nested class here, which means class within the class, that is called nested class here. Nested abstract class, that is. Another thing is can define Static method in abstract class. You can declare static here. Static method is possible to give in abstract class. This is about abstraction and abstraction class. Let me recall once again. Here I have created abstract class and abstract methods, two methods here. It ends with semicolon without body structure, which means that curly braces, and also can have any abstract class, abstract method, and as well as non-abstract method can have nested class, and class B can extend another abstract class, but here we have to give body structure here, that is curly braces with system info. Whatever you want you can give. If necessary you can use non-abstract method or normal method. So let me recall. Abstract class must be declared as abstract and must have abstract method, and abstract class can have normal method and non-abstract method. And fourth point is subclass must give body structure. Let me update one thing. Any abstract class must have abstract method which has no body structure. Body structure you should not give in abstract methods. That's very important. Can have normal method and non-abstract methods. Class subclass must give body structure for all abstract method which are available in parent class. Cannot create object for object class but can create reference. Final keyword cannot be used for abstract class and methods. Abstract class can have nested abstract class. Nested, yeah. Can define static method in abstract.